It's the rib stitch, and we're going to start the rib stitch by doing 2 knit stitches as a garter border like we've done before. Just gives me something to latch onto. Now we start the rib stitch. We go 1 knit, 2 knit, switch to purl, 1 purl, 2 purl, switch to knit, 1 stitch, 2 stitch, switch to purl, 1 stitch, 2 stitch, switch to knit, 1 stitch, 2 stitch, switch to purl, 1 stitch, 2 stitch, switch to knit, switch to purl, switch to knit, or purl rather, excuse me, and 2 knit stitches as the garter border. And there you go, you got the basic rib stitch. Again, you can, anytime you want, if you want to do a different combination of knit and purl, you can certainly do that. Depends on what you want the stretch to look like. So you can go 1 knit, 1 purl, 1 knit, 1 purl. That's going to be tighter. Or you can go 2 knits, 1 purl. That's also a little tighter. You're not going to have that in the middle. But basically, anytime you need something that's a little on the stretchy side, this is your basic rib stitch.